Right, welcome back guys. Hope you had a good half term. Today we're going to look at forming linear equations, okay? Linear just means that there aren't any squares in there aren't any cubes, it's just an x on its own. Okay, so what we're going to do, they give you the question as words, we need to put them into equations. Okay, we've worked with equations before, so this should be just refreshing your knowledge. So first question, I think of a number, I multiply it by 3 and add 7. My new number is 16. So what I'm going to do, we're going to set up an equation. I think of a number, we don't know what the number is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it x. Okay? I multiply it by 3 and add 7. So I multiply is times by 3 and then add 7. My new number is 16. So what we do, all that adds to 16. Okay? But we can make this look a little bit nicer. Okay? So x times 3 is the same as writing 3x. Plus 7 we can't do anything with, and it equals 16. For today, we're not going to go any further than simplifying it, okay? In the next lesson, we'll look at solving linear equations, which is when we start dealing with this. But at the minute, all I want you to do is just leave it there, okay? So have a look at the second one. Jane is X years old. Lewis is double Jane's age. Together their ages add to 108. Okay, so Jane, I'm going to call her J, is X years old. Okay? If Jane is X years old, Lewis is double Jane's age, so Lewis would be 2X. Okay? That's it. Jane is X, so Lewis, because she's double it, must be 2x, 2 times x, okay? And their ages add to 108. So we know that x, which is Jane's age, add, because when we told that their ages add to 108, 2x equals 108. Again though, we can simplify this, and this will be the step that I think most of you will miss off. You'll leave it there, without simplifying it, you potentially will lose a mark at GCSE. If we've got x plus 2x, x on its own is just one lot of x. So what we've got is 1x plus 2x, so 3x equals 108. Again, once you've simplified it, that's as far as you can go today. That's all I want you to do. Okay? Simplify it and leave it in its simplest form. Last question then. Theo is X years old. Okay, so we're going to write this down as we go along. So I'm going to call him T. Okay? Is X. Theo is X years old. Okay. Jack is 3 years older than Theo. So Jack, J, okay, is Theo's age, X, plus 3. Okay. Phil is 1 year younger than Theo. So P for Phil is X, which is Theo's age. 1 year younger would be minus 1. Okay, and their ages add up to 57. So what we'd have x plus 3 plus x minus 1 equals 57. Let me just show you where that comes from. So x here is Theo's age. The first x there is Theo's age. X plus 3, okay, so what we've got is I've got that bit there, and that bit there. Okay, x is Theo's age, x plus 3 is Jack's age, x minus 1 is Phil's age. And again, the bit we need to remember is what? The bit we need to remember is that we simplify. So we've got x plus x plus x, so we've got 3x. We haven't got any numbers in this one. We've got a plus 3 and a minus 1, which is plus 2, and that equals 57. Okay? Again, once you've simplified it, all I want you to do today is leave it as this. We will look at solving next lesson. If you've got any questions, guys, feel free to email me. Otherwise, enjoy your day.